Welcome to Personal Finance Declutter. In this video, I'm going to explain how to get started investing in the stock market when you're an absolute beginner. Before we jump into the video, I want to make a disclaimer that I'm not an investment advisor. This video should be considered for educational or entertainment purposes only. I made a video about introducing aspects of investing and different types of products that you can invest your money into. In all those things, stock market obviously is the most predominant one, where you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. I'll quickly touch upon how I got started in investing, what are the mistakes that I made and how I learned from my mistakes, and tie all that together to see what I would do today if I were to get started in investing. I got into stock market investing because I always heard people around me talking about investing in the stock market. I got into investing in individual stocks, although I did not understand how the market behaved and how to evaluate an individual stock. Also, I was mainly focusing on short-term gains and I was not investing from a long-term perspective. Both of these things were big mistakes, I think, and I would definitely not repeat them if I were getting started today. As I learned more about the stock market and evaluating individual stocks, I started asking my peers who were advising me to invest in a certain thing as what their thought process was. I was surprised to find that a lot of the people who were investing in stocks didn't really understand all these things all that well. Either they didn't know how to read balance sheets or analyze long-term trends. I also didn't have a lot of time to actively invest because I want my stock investing to be a passive income generation stream. So I don't want to commit a lot of time to investing in the stock market. Now I invest in more of an autopilot manner. I don't actively trade anything. I just invest on a periodic schedule into the stock market. I think that's the best approach that works for me. And I think it's also a pretty sound strategy for somebody who is just getting started in the stock market. So if I were to get started today, what are the 3 things that I would do that I didn't do when I got started in the stock market? Or if you're a beginner, what's the best way to approach the stock market and how to get started? Number 1 is to open a stock brokerage account with a provider that doesn't have commissions on trades. These days, many providers are switching to no commissions trade model, in that you don't have to pay commissions for a stock or ETF buy and sell. You just pay some administrative fee, which is really minimal. Number 2, this is the most important aspect in this, in my opinion. Invest in broad-based total market index ETF. Most of the big providers like Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, iShares all have their total market fund. They all use different names, but in general, it's a total market based index fund. These funds usually have really low investment costs and they represent a total state of the economy, so you're not betting on one individual company to go up or down. The final thing is to invest with a long-term time horizon. Don't react to markets ups and downs on a daily basis. It's nearly impossible to time the market, especially as a beginner. So it's best to leave your money in one of these total index funds and not react to short-term trends and let the investments grow over a longer time horizon. These pointers are definitely for somebody who's just getting started in the stock investing. As you gain more experience, you can certainly venture out into newer and more challenging things. Investing in itself is a risky business. The returns are not guaranteed. So you have to be careful and have the discipline to be patient and not chase short-term trends. So that was a quick video about how to get started in stock market investing. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for similar content. Thank you.